Hello Twindy, my name is Erickson Lima and I will present the Jaguar Portal tool, which is a tool to support this spectrum-based fault localization, SBFL, in a continuous integration environment. The Jaguar Portal solution supports SBFL within a continuous integration, CI, pipeline. That is, during the pipeline, it is possible that you have data of suspiciousness, of defective code from the failure of a unit test. So the solution is composed of an CI such as GitHub, from Jaguar 2, which is the tool that will collect information, from SBFL in Jaguar Portal, which is the tool that will give you the visualization of SBFL data. So with this you have the visualization of the suspiciousness of defective code. The solution is composed of a platform with several tools. So the first step is for the developer to commit their source code to a repository, then runs a pipeline. The pipeline executes the build script that may or may not fail. When it fails, the SBFL Jaguar 2 tool will generate the SBFL data. Once the SBFL is made with the ranking of the code most suspected of being defective, your data will be submitted through a GitHub action called Jaguar Portal Submit. This data will be submitted to a web API that will consequently store this database information. Once this information has been processed and stored in a database, the web API returns the URL of this analysis and the data that was generated within the Jaguar portal to GitHub action. GitHub action write this information in the GitHub's pull request comments and finalizes the failed build. After that, it is possible for the developer to access the Jaguar portal website to view the information that has been stored in the database. We will go next to demonstrate a real case. This example used JSoup repository. It's actually a copy of a real version that existed inside JSoup and where we had an issue. So here a pull request was created to create a test. Then a new test case was added so that you can simulate the defective code. When there is a line break situation within a tag, then there was this problem within the library and with this test. Running after submitting the pull request, Jaguar Portal took action through its GitHub action. And it ran Jaguar 2, which fetched the SBFL data, posted here on pull request through bot, to view suspiciousness data and a list of suspect codes. So this data from the suspect codes can also be viewed through the Jaguar Portal interface. So I'll click here on the link to see it inside the Jaguar Portal. So here you have the suspicious code. So according to the most suspicious rank red, and less suspicious, it becomes green. And you can visualize it. If we look between lines 381 and 383, which have this comment, that's where it really needs to be corrected. And we can verify that the suspiciousness was between these lines, that there is really the defective codette. So it came very close to suspiciousness, helping the developer to gain time during his task. So the tool shows the code in a visual way with the ranking according to suspiciousness and also the organization of the files here within the project, which has code with some kind of suspicion. So this is a demonstration of the Jaguar Portal solution